This video is about how to join a trading broker's introducing broker program and make money. Step 1. Research introducing broker IB programs. Look for reputable brokers that offer IB programs. This will typically involve finding a trading broker that offers an affiliate or partner program with competitive commissions, payment options, and a good reputation. You can find such programs by checking out the websites of popular brokers in your niche. Alternatively, you can join the IB program that we've joined by clicking on the link in the description below. To date, the program has paid over $300 million to its affiliates. Number 2. Choose a broker. Once you've identified a few promising IB programs, do further research to determine which broker you want to partner with. Look at their commission rates, trading platforms, and other key features to decide on which one to join. Number 3. Sign up for the IB program. Once you've decided on a broker, sign up for their IB program by filling out the registration form. You'll usually need to provide basic information such as your name, email, and payment details. Number 4. Get your affiliate link. After you've signed up, the broker will provide you with a unique affiliate link that you can use to promote their services. This link is how the broker tracks your referrals and pays you commission for any clients that sign up through your link. Number 5. Promote the broker. Start promoting the broker by using your affiliate link. There are many ways to do this, such as through social media, email marketing, paid advertising, education, and content marketing. Create content that's relevant to your audience and highlight the benefits of trading with the broker. In the future, we'll provide you with a strategy on how exactly to go about marketing and advertising your affiliate link. Number 6. Track your performance. Keep track of your performance by monitoring your click-through rate, conversion rate, and revenue. You can do this by using tracking software or tools provided by the broker. Number 7. Optimize your campaigns. Use the data you've gathered to optimize your campaigns. This could involve tweaking your messaging, changing your target audience, or trying different marketing channels. Number 8. Receive payouts. When your referrals start trading with the broker, you'll start receiving commission payouts. Make sure you're aware of the payment schedule and method, and keep track of your earnings so you can plan accordingly. Number 9. Conclusion. IB affiliate marketing takes time and effort to get results, so be patient and persistent. With the right approach, commitment, and effort, you can earn extra income through promoting a trading broker's IB program via an affiliate link. Click on the link in the description below to explore the affiliate program that we are part of.